All right, 76 degrees. We're here at Seaside Heights. 6:17 p.m. Let's go, let's go. Can you see me? Kind of a mirror moment right there, a little bit. Let's go. Let's stroll around the boardwalk. There's a band here. They're rocking out, rocking out. Let's see what's going on. This is the sandbar right here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. A lot of people coming in right now. Good times, good times. All right. Got the band rocking out right there. There we go, there we go, there we go. Good times, good times. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's choose over here. Right by the sawmill. Let's go, let's go. All righty, all righty. Alrighty, let's go. All right, let's cruise. Let's walk around here. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, all right, all right.
It's something. Oh, we got it. So yeah, sounds good. I'm gonna be right here on the floor.
All right, we got the beachcomber up here. Let's go by there. Let's go by the hole. Let's walk down the boardwalk. Let's go. They got everything open on the streets over there too. The steak, original steak, pizza, funnel cake, all of that. All kinds of stuff. Right here, they got the awesome spot right here. They got the cheese, chip pickles, everything. Lobster roll. Oh, the Korean corn dogs right here. We got the Korean corn dogs right here. House of fries. They got the house of fries here. You get your French fries on. There it is, the house of fries. Big long line there for French fries. Pretty long line. Beachcomber jamming, jamming, jamming. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. go, let's go.
Just give them your bank account number.
No idea what you're talking about.
Got the Coors ice cream right there. Bam. Locals on.
So I thought I was swimming down the red, like, I want to tell you something.
Don't worry, I'll win you one. $20, I win you.
Okay, no, I don't.
All right, let's go. Got hot dogs, cheese, steak, meatballs, pizza, everything up here.
That's what I'm thinking. That smells good.
You got the cheese steaks, Italian sausages, hot dogs.
I don't know. Have a sneaker. Come on, dude.
Okay, good. Are we coming? He's with me.
Luca's Pizza right there, famous spot, pretty famous.
I know. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll call you. Bye. Yo, Blake.
There's the other Three Brothers. A lot of people there. Three Brothers Pizza. Like I said before, I think there's 3 of them here. I've said that before.
You're right here. We need to slow down our walking pace.
All right, Jumbo's Bar and Grill right there. Jumping Bar and Grill. Jumbo's Jumping Bar and Grill. A lot of people. All right. They probably got a DJ or something, or at least some good music. I mean, you know, party music going on. Something going on in there, party music.
Oh yes.
Yeah, got the ice cream right there, the Coors ice cream.
Do the one game.
Got the Frog Bog right there. Frog Bog. Sometimes people get them in the frogs. They jump when they hit the frog, and sometimes they go into the lily pad, whatever it is. Sometimes they don't.
We'll maybe cup it eventually, but it will not last.
Frog Bog is pretty cool. Got the balloon pop over here. Popping the balloons.
Wait, we lost Daddy. We have to go get Daddy.
Wonder how bad it tastes.
Let's take a stroll over here.
Which is not what you
Got a lot of games over this way. Candy, water gun games. Jersey Shore fun. Okay, let's stroll into the amusement park here.
trust. If I did,
Got the pub pier over here. The spot is like kind of secluded and in the midst of action at the same time. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool spot. Right, yeah, we got the ride right here. Let me stand back. The swing.